So if you want to add interest and beauty to your front porch, one way you can do that is by stamping your concrete floor. On this particular project here, we used the reclaimed timber pattern, had a base color toffee and a release color of chocolate. As you can see, some of the work is similar just to a normal concrete pour, but then as you apply your release and the stamps, it is more work, a little more tedious, and takes more time. This really looked good with the wide timber, reclaimed timber look, and we were able to do a really nice